It's like you can eat at that restaurant right there and overlook this kind of cool river. So I might try to walk all the way over there, walk across that bridge maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so I'm at Yangshuo in the daytime, and yeah, that's kind of some of the view. This is like a restaurant up here, and it has all this kind of cool stuff. And this is part of the pond that I can overlook. It's pretty interesting as well. And it's kind of, I find it kind of interesting that there's not many, most of it is like kind of home stuff, you know, like what I mean by that is like not many chain stuff. But they put all the chain stuff that's kind of gets all the high space, right? There's McDonald's, oddly enough, there's a KFC right there. And let's see, there's a Starbucks. I saw a Starbucks over there, and there's a Pizza Hut over here too. But in general, you don't really have many chain stuff like that. So basically you have a ton of small businesses and enterprises everywhere. But it's kind of funny that from this spot I can actually see them. But this is what Yangshuo is known for, these big beautiful mountains like that everywhere. Okay, let's go check out some more. Okay, so we're just going to do some of the shops, and there's some kind of cool looking people right there. Okay. I like that traditional dress. It's pretty cool. So basically what we're gonna do, I like this bike too, the umbrella. Really cool, umbrella. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna walk around the town and show this town a little bit. The coolest stuff is behind us where we're gonna go later. And you can see more of that later today as well. I'll bring the camera, do that. Okay. Girls friendship, best friends forever, thing. Kind of funny. Okay, a lot of tourists here. I guess the thing to do is rent a bike. And we got some mountains right in front of us, so I'm just gonna walk around the town a little bit today, and I'll bring out the camera when I can. Kind of cool. Cool. I don't know if you can see all the mountains back there, and then up here, the hotels, and we got some more right here too. It doesn't. I don't know if it comes out as cool as it does when you're here in person. But anyways, you can see it. Give you a sense. There's some Chinese people right over there. Just how small they look compared to that big mountainside. I think these are all limestone cliffs, so they kind of have this starkness to them. Kind of cool. Okay. So just kind of capturing all these tourist bikes, and then it's kind of hard to see with this particular camera. There's a lot of cool stuff everywhere. A lot of hotels right in the spot. The mountains are breathtakingly beautiful. Actually, I think I want to walk over by that water over there. This is kind of cool. This is like a police box right here. Complete circular thing. So we're just gonna, there's a big water one over here, so we're just gonna take a look at it to the left here. There it is. It's like you can eat at that restaurant right there and overlook this kind of cool river. So I might try to walk all the way over there, walk across that bridge maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, we're back in the tourist area. So I started walking on some of the main roads, and they're kind of cool too actually. But this is one of the more main tourist areas. So you can see all the stuff that's everywhere around here. So, okay. And probably just gonna wander around in some of these lanes and I'll take out the camera some more later. A lot of cool stuff everywhere. It's the hottest part of the day, so it's a little bit harder to capture it for the video, so I'm going to keep the video limited until I guess more evening time. Okay, so we're in Yangshuo watching a boat go down this river right here, and you got some beautiful view. Trying to capture it as good as I can with this camera. This camera's better for walking around. Has a good functions for that. Amazing functions. So we're just gonna kind of walk around some of these trails, check out some of this city, this mountain. Here comes the boat. Yangshuo shipping company, and it's empty. I saw another one just come by a little while ago. It was also almost empty too. I think there's another one right there, and a little fleet of them. This one must be coming back, I guess. Okay, kind of cool though.